yɛ de no mo fa the appropriate channels you won grow bebre ho ma say indigene enya be say 80% enya da foreigner or access oko the French speaking countries now omo are very strict on those things but Ghana has an anti-sir the best rabbi so omo na ni so nku yen indigenous na fi say yen ye to abaya den edemom yen ye to abaya den edemom nti ebusa ade na oso so ye den eyede mai the best from say China for no mabra mo di market no aban no animnumunu ya no e we are not against them na emum omumfa the appropriate channel no mumfa here the informal marketing
cardless there buy also ye name be because say ohwe a mo central for more heavy muhu say enkofo no nsem mo kan nyina na say ye ton ade a ye nto so ehu enti bibi enoma bebre ho ma wo sa aban etumi ye se na ebe ya ye dwadie no a ye die no ebetumi akonanim ebi ni say duty say ma ye kan first na enim se nka dollar ne ba for mo a nanka edi ye friend say ye dwadie no abayi but metumi aka say car dealer bia obebi se ne bia be ka cho so utumi tran the car park be 8 months na untumi nton ade be 9 months no untumi nton ade na sa na edi dwa na e na fe nso China for no kwan o ma fa wura mu no a o mo ton ne ma no eno so nya effect say wo ha no mo ye ka say o mu so obi say individual ba ko ono atumi ton car be 600 e de ma banks wo mreko a nim enu sunti na ye ka kira aban say ye vehicle and access dealers union of Ghana ye anka say ye the ID card aba a kire say say wonton car wunya sa ID card ni bi enye so obi asora na import car obi asora na ye ka adwuma ni bi ama yaya ma fe China for kra ba ba je adwuma no e de free ensem nti ye be sra aban say omo hwe mayen sa de we ye ka kire say ye nye enforcement kakra standard board say mra bi enu ho ya di akire sa yenim say bi enne ana ochina na standard board for betumi an enforce sa de na ye be sre authorities so enforcement ana say regulations be a work at tombu ana ka edwade ehu bia no try say betumi an enforce amaye.
Regarding Dr. Bosman Asari, I can also confirm that he has submitted a letter to His Excellency the President indicating that effective 31st July 2026 he would resign his position as Deputy Chairperson of the Electoral Commission. He gives a reason for his resignation, which is that he wants to go back to academia and pursue his career as a staff of the University of Ghana, and conveyed his thanks and appreciation to the President and people of Ghana for giving him the opportunity to serve in that capacity. We are also aware that a second chairperson, is it in the person of Mr. Samuel Tete, has also gone on retirement as I beg your pardon, a member of the Electoral Commission or a deputy chairperson.
SOMPA FM.
In that regard, processes are underway. Indeed, the Council of State has already been given a nominee, which they are considering. And once that process is completed, an announcement will be made in terms of the replacement for Mr. Tete. And then in due course, a replacement will be found for Dr.
Aya pre-bag gene sama wo kan ne ade ayi enye bibia se aya 2018 enna me course me pese me ya afuo ewo aya sechere enti afuo no a me yes aya pre-bag gene ye no na ye commercial farming na commercial farming so wo pese wo ye commercial farming na there's a lot of risk ewom globally. A year we are suffering in a Ghana. 1, a bit my issue. 2, bet my pets and more. 3, a bit my market even price. Some markets no prices are falling. What you say? And a 4 can be anything. And see a bribe you call me court say company. My quackody loan near per se. Yeah, Kojilo near the year fool said the na company be a Kojilo at the year fool, a Sabine Koy. And to a moment, I had the collateral by. And so, bank biano, your free be time sheet. And to a moment, time sheet by say, time sheet, no. 1, I was set woman a farm manager, a free Brazil deba. But you know, it depending on type of the crops are Ubedria. eno ye yi no and the time na was say nti Brazil omo yes omo ko fa aba no afi antimi amanesa and omo fa obi wo Ghana because na ye a bro and ye dua base nti ado so no the season no ye be within 3 months to 4 months nti omo yes omo fa farm manager ni bi wo ha to omo fa farm manager ni bi de mai eno achi omo ma say ye de ayi ama wo mo no collateral de ama wo mo no mo ma ye farm manager no wo mo asoso na sa ma ye insurance company ma insurance company no so ebe be hwe ebe insure afuo no ayeye no ene ebe say insure to sesi a ofin na enkran ankobra na enkran what you say oti ena enkran but ene amanfo bebre fie say insure to a untimi cross even main road you cannot cross enti ayeye no SARFO no ene nsuo yiriye ena bebe fire abroni nyina de koye se di nsuo bubu amanfo dan yeye no enti natural disaster no meni hu to me say metimi de a stop no ene ade yeye na sabre no so no say wo hwe 2018 aye Ministry of Agric 34th anniversary omo yeye omo my best farmer. Yes.
When your best farmer paying?
Omo first runner, best farmer, first runner. I was such a Anna omo de maye.
That means na we have phone dada.
Ye phone no UTV. For ayiko omo ba ho na ba be hwe ye sabe enye magic say e bi a wo sore ye na ye say won to be so aye phone. No, there's a process to do the farming. What you say? Anna e man ne ba say. Anumu Anna aye lawyer Andy say said da ko court ba ko court mienu court mi ansa no aye yi ni nyina achi no na niema awuna mu nyina no we say we aye azem de no anka ye betimi ane wo mo no akokot na yakasem na akopim say ye bewie na ye bewie no so no I know say sabe aye company ana aba aye but so obati ase a ye wo emre bi wo ho a ye fe ne
bargaining
pre-bargaining na no first no na ye omo wo section 35/737 I wo ho but nya no ana me pese me ka ho asem but aye section aye 162 says 162 at 1079 2022 emrebi by say eno no de eye negotiation na oma drop charges no then you pay the said amount na omo no edemay no then it become a negotiation for them to eye lawyer or no de woko
the report reveals that as of 31st December 2025 the office of the president had a staff strength of 808, down from 921 in 2023. On the face of it, this appears to suggest a leaner administration. However, a true and careful analysis reveals otherwise. This figure does not include political appointees, advisors, and special assistants serving across ministries, departments, and agencies. It does not include communication and corporate affairs directors and similar political appointees across MDAs. And importantly, it does not include the offices of deputy ambassadors and other political appointees created in Ghana's diplomatic missions abroad. Indeed, under the current administration, 18 deputy ambassadors have been appointed across various missions compared to only 6 under the previous administration. The estimated cost of these 18 posts is between $2.7 million and $3.1 million every year, which means about $11 million to $12 million over a 4-year term. These appointments all carry financial implications and form part of the broader machinery of government that taxpayers ultimately fund. Therefore, when assessing the true size of government, we must look beyond the staff of the presidency alone and consider the entire architecture of political appointments. The budgetary allocation for compensation under the Office of Government Machinery, as presented by the Honorable Finance Minister, moved from approximately 326 million Ghana cedis in 2024 to about 2.7 billion Ghana cedis in the 2025 budget, before being revised during the appropriation process to approximately 362 million Ghana cedis. In the 2026 budget, for example, the figure now stands at approximately 540 million Ghana cedis. That is almost double what the previous administration spent on compensation.
SOMPA 106.5 FM with a time 23 minutes past 3 p.m. Baby Obiano, but for God and country. Remember, we are live on YouTube. YouTube, SOMPA 106.5 FM live. So tell a friend to tell a friend that, yes, indeed, that's where we are. Nampono Obasaudi Jumedi Nechia. Bomoding Nashushe Kobla ABOTCHIE on Facebook. Kobla ABOTCHIE on Facebook. KOBLA ABOTCHIE. So you can follow me also there for the live session of this particular show right here. And Kaisa Jumadi, Yabonimaqua, Hamaso Asna, Debiara Dan Yedi Bremo, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, as well as Sasuna Ebekoswada, RSYD, no video studios, I say, Yamama say, 21st Clinic, Yamamu Mo, Sasuna Yabeko, Yada Tontina, 74, for so as say, what was I saying in the way, Yatanasi, for God and country, Yedi Ebremo. Patrick Netizing.
Prof, Yamada Roma, and then soon Yamedia Chain.
Bibiabo Horde.
Yamiadum, Yahuye, Nampa Jones, Oye.
Me who ye pa.
Yamias.
Hey, Graymu.
Me see the other bedroom, Craymu bedroom.
But me pass a chassis free. Yeah, universities are who do I work Ghana ha. From 2024, Eba. Students do war universities winning. We are 13.
Wow.
The latest one being the University of Cape Coast one. A brand Kebia. A post if I saw the page. A brand Kebia post if I saw the page. A post if I say.
Allegedly, yeah.
Woman say. Eye wono enema wo ba no enkwa free nensa Patrick my emphasize kwanya we so dem fa to yedua no mafo won say mawo akukudro pa
oba be wa
mawo akukudro
ba bi oba be kono be ma
da bi wuntimi nko because wo beba wu nim ne da na wa frew say brana yenkohia na wo ba wetime anya saa kukudo na kodi akiri a man would draw na Patrick sikeni bre sikeni bre any bre boni
materialism
iPhone abaso open iPhone 17 manya ne say 18 kraba
and it will 17 out to na home for so it
18. Just I don't know what's happening in Ghana these days. The moral decadence. So we share Mumba as Torabia and Kodan Patrick, would a bona Juba 12? Would a Bomodina for Domain Street way soon? And Kodam Baya and kitten to Tofiwa. But be Hune, just a Tukrana, the Tukra. I a plate.
Tatali.
And so steal. Ojinum, and so Ojinum.
What be?
But question I have me be say. Sa a man, no, one more forward him.
Ow.
Some man, one more forward him. Because do be beer at time. Some bema what dress ya won nam ho na anajo wo ba aye o say. Me timi twame ni na me say mea
Ah, be from.
Oh yeah, be from me that.
Ah.
Na ba Jimmy ni ke bi ni me slippers bi.
How so?
Lacoste bi. Shorts be na oni mu jawa sam shorts. Na Jimmy nam ho me te see. Na say no, me say me ana. Me say me here.
That's what from.
Or from no am science bi. And I say David.
Ah.
What are wrong bits?
And the marketing strategy.
Marketing strategy. Sasa foodie, say our mu friend ni.
What tell them be on am ho. Hey, yemwe. Enwe.
Hey, a man wo. Chale edu be bia na me su because a man no me wo bi o.
Aw.
Me wo bi.
Aw.
Of that age, me wo bi. Me wo bi. Na he teacher ni dey abai.
Yee. Asebi no akobo.
Ball senior high school.
Aye. Akwara ya o ma me akotu.
Ball senior high school. Me ba to ukoye ya YouTube page this is here wo be hu. SOMPA 106.5 FM live. Safofa
Enya me nwanwa.
Enti no one year tete ko chance ha video no. Girl we no.
The student
boyfriend. And then namfo and then mafia teacher ni
sa.
sa.
Make be say enya me
nwanwa. And na mo mafia teacher ni sa no.
Ayo.
And na mo mafia teacher ni sa.
That is a teacher normal tete na che.
Woman tete na che. Na say plan wo ma twe for over 1 year.
Ayo.
But you see teacher ni no so ho. I was school mo ho.
Mr. Arafat.
You see nimu ade. Or integrated science. Yes, teacher we nima wo nimu ade ne said the kwan of us or watch ade.
Science teacher.
Yes, he said you say bu ade. Yes, in the suban ye A1.
Na koba ne saying
ni. Na we dey koba ne saying ni. And the teacher ni we. Atam ni tanko ko babadue. Watam ni tanko babadue. Abomoden e dey ra abaya we so no we ni nantam. E dey atwe ne srade na pie.
Srade be ya.
Ni tanko babadua no hu ana wo de raba ya ne nantam abomoden atwe nantam so
che na demonstrate down
atwe pie oh erabe enkolai so ba say do nan so
mohadje shakura ketu ahwede ku achi akura ketu
but wo mo tetwa asa yi so ba akwa me say so
Hey, kromu ha. Mesi abadrade atemuda. Ankura ni bi hajin.
Me kaita mana me kirade otu obodom. Me kirade otu obodom no.
Ene we huna mane.
Oh, anamane be na me hunu ye.
Na ankura ni bi.
Because me nim say. Sa de we no. The Ghana Education Service. On Fuaso. So who nim now koye sa de we ni ye kire wa.
Eno kwa
de hunu se
me tomu so anu maso.
So what you say? Na me nkasa na me ni bi nipa na misu. Ade ya be yapa na se akora be hu me hu. Enti no sa nkora no de me kira de nyina. Hey, de bi me ma mbe me.
Usuru kra sa abochi.
Me ma mbe me o.
Obu akra.
Me ma mbe me. Ba se se no e ya de ekoso. Where Piero? There are several of them. MPA.
Of course.
Safo General teacher ni a young guy. Cause secondary schools these days now a teacher for young guys. Now what's American? Who's the teacher ni a young guy? Until you yeah no a trust a safata so on your Safo. Until Safo who was in the high school and can call we soon or then koda nebefa. Emma me boomfu. Because I've been a victim of this before. My daughter. I'm telling you.
Oh. Sir.
Office senior high school. Ebe fie no. Obi yare sa.
Eh.
Rinye se ne bai.
Eh.
Ante me hu ade bi sia na me buafu. Ade wa me hu a teacher ni pa. Wo ma hwe mo hu video no. Teacher ni tanko babadue. Se tie nie, se kutu, se bam. Atrenche sa.
SOMPA FM.
Na krata be na GS dia bar me pesa
GS the communicate aba
be na mo dia aba
na me komu
yeah
immediate release
yeah
alleged sexual misconduct involving a teacher and a student of Bolly SHS. Now, GS say, management of the Ghana Education Service, AGS, has become aware of a disturbing video of an alleged sexual misconduct circulating on social media involving a teacher and a student of Bolly Senior High School in the Savannah region.
In the Savannah
region, sorry.
Okay.
Management has initiated investigation into the matter. Pending the outcome of the investigation, management directs that the teacher is interdicted in accordance with GS rules and regulations. Management strongly condemns all forms of amorous relationship between teachers and students. The service reiterates the zero tolerance towards sexual misconduct and cautions all staff to uphold the highest standards of professional ethics and conduct at all times. Management remains committed to ensuring the safety, protection, and well-being of all students within the educational system. Appropriate disciplinary and legal action will be taken against any individual found culpable. The public is assured that the matter is being treated with the utmost seriousness. Further updates, when necessary, might be provided as investigation progresses. Signed, Daniel Fenny, Head of Public Relations, GS.
But only interesting thing then is Daniel Fenny, your friend, as we're doing the phone. GS, National PR, your best row. And Kabayanka so phone.
Because you are frozen.
Okay. And you see, management of the Ghana Education Service has become aware of a disturbing video of an alleged sexual misconduct circulating on social media involving a teacher and a student of Bolly Senior High School. Yes, here was Savannah region.
Yeah, Savannah region.
Now, management has initiated investigations into the matter. When investigations may be, now, the Emma Nabasa. Baby, a video ni free. And one as a for baby, a video ni free.
A video ni free.
That's a video. That's a video. A see what our chemistry lab.
Chemistry lab.
Chemistry lab. But interestingly, no. Dia na wo mo ye no na a biology lesson in a chemistry lab.
Jesus
man.
Biology in the chemistry lab.
That's it. You mo ko ye biology lesson.
And I'm koya dey no chemistry lab. Hey, wrong place.
Wrong place.
Biology the chemicals na mo dey ko.
SOMPA FM.
There be chemistry lab there.
Some of our letter not so.
Chemistry lab there.
Some of our letter not so.
I want mixing chemicals.
I want you mixing chemicals.
Chemicals. I want
chemistry. Sulfuric acid. And then you can count hydrochloric acid.
I want biology practical.
I want biology. I don't think it's chill, but. Management strongly condemns all forms of amorous relationship between teachers and students. This is not the first time it has happened. It's happened on several occasions. But I don't know. Adia or Checheni. Ubehunu wo abaye mu school ni abaya. Ebaya kono di amount.
I don't need a question na see.
Debbie. Na akura wo chire na die.
Akura wo chire na akura wo discipline.
Akura wo discipline die.
Abba.
But akura wo discipline die. Dem pa na be was akura no ho a. Eno ebe ma watenka. Asori na wakwa pedo. Ni senti no na wo betimi akone na akwakoda. Why?
Anodin.
Debbie. Yeah, a teacher for the best remo. Say me papa na oye ni say na me be che wa. Ka me no be yam. But en Quran so wan say. En Quran say.
Na won hwa Quran.
Me say phones are abai. Mobile phones are abai. Say asay mo friend nyina.
You see ni ye.
Mobile phones are abai. Asay mo friend nyina.
What was that? UK Prime Minister.
Yeah.
That is some people too. Just say who need 16 years. Below 16 years in your social media, you are off.
You are off.
Except I didn't na Ghana Institute because you're quite an saying.
Because I am serious.
It ran a John Bession, the normal social media.
No, we shall no.
Nantemo genius tablet at the command crowd secondary school. One thing once I may buy.
Pornography
in the goose.
Oh, there be any pornography in goose because that time I'm the original PR of my boy.
Oh, about you.
Oh, there be any
About
sir. And then Colana downloaded you.
Oh, there be men can't say it never so. And Corano and I shall also. Tablets near their mom some pornography.
I don't know. I don't know. How do we fix Mother Ghana? How do we fix the country? They are fixing Mother Ghana. We have a problem in this country. How do we fix Mother Ghana?
Prof, I ask him here. There are certain content on the social media. Our cyber security system can block it. As in Korani,
I hear too much.
Because me call secondary school, call university. Man, your background, your girlfriend crowd a classroom because I am a sure say, you classroom, that's a teacher need some question, me and I say, man, child, you know, some kind of many baby. Now, walk
yeah, they
walk on quite a idea.
They be walk yeah, they will call senior high school, Sekusia, dear. Ya casa school now, walk on a cotton brown. There be Koware, yes, Kusia, dear.
Ah, it's all because so when full be bow.
Wash a girl, no. Na teacher ni.
Na crowd started dresses say ya.
Teacher ni. She teacher ni nine.
Was stagger jina hon.
Was stagger brutal.
Slim guy.
So say me who slim guys na me suro mo pa.
And that's a for slim guy.
Me ba to your bana who bema bia. One nam was na to saka cry yes. So the tuna sam kakra yesuru. Who slim guy be yesuru. Ah!
And any baby body.
Na abrante pa pejani tanko babedui. Tanko babedui no so nya de kuma. Wa bomodin de raba ya nantem e de yini nantem sade pie. Na wo yesa na yema cheche ni.
Ya slim guys no. So who be me be an twa sakakra.
But one mo hwe video no so hu say girl no so eye ne de.
Na se ne wabu ni mu na o ye.
Wo hwe video ni bi.
Tell the chira me.
Na me de chira wo.
O ma me hwe kakra.
Me na me de video ni chira wo.
Some ye be ka.
Me na me de video ni chira.
National issue.
There be me na me de video ni chira.
Me show what tablet.
Me tablet so bu wa. O bu wa. I just have to chira here. Video yes afu.
Na safu tablet.
Na safu tablet.
Ah yo. Na me ka sawo de na. Na me ka sawo de na. Where national issue?
For now, no dear, they have not disclosed her age. All the checks have done. But 18, but 18.
Oh, Bible 17. Well, secondary school,
Whoa. Now, my young second story. Now, obviously, Canoforiata is saying.
Canoforiata,
Bella Mania.
At the age, Jim.
Yes, we didn't Kunimu Abruchiri. Yes, said the US force of Majinaka.
US citizen.
Hey,
sure. Tanawa,
Ghana,
and compare green card Nibiara.
Aye. Just say,
oh, you're US citizen, Abochi. Afa.
Now, what David What was a gun? How? NPP NDC.
Yeah, person Swasam.
I do be a na me dio mu ya.
Kafra.
NPP. Once I ukasa asem says ya. NPP
Afa.
Why are people running away from accountability?
Why are people running away from accountability?
What about the Savo man Ghana? For how many years? For 7-8 years.
7-8 years.
As the finance minister. Say no, a buying our basis here as you say. Never be a course. Never be course. Our weapons who are entry. And to Branaba you one. No, I got to you.
Okay, Johnny Assam.
Where Johnny Assam?
Oh, yeah, Yank when you want it.
Where Johnny Assam? Anna, wouldn't. As some way so and that issue way but 2 years. Me who say MPP for the baby age. Big boss. Ama sama bro me wa send me message abochi wa fere.
There be
accountability.
Why are they running away from accountability?
Victor Salome they were accountable and they went to jail. We remember. Kwame me pato me brother. Mr. Mama.
Na say your modi.
Unkai Kwame Pepra.
Trim.
Unkai Kwame Pepra.
Maybe na ndidi.
Okay. Debi what do nim Kwame Pepra?
Makai.
Now what did you say?
Me nam home baby. Me nam home baby.
Me pato letter ni nie. Menka premo osai bonsu.
Na me kire ma wo say.
Nyabotre me kan wi na wa kire. No wa kire mu otu.
Yo.
Asam ne ya ode.
Ya say me desa ya man green card no. Ya me desa me be kenkan.
Ande kenkan. Kenkan.
Me kire ma press release. Hey radio my we won prof. Kanoforiata's green card I-485 petition has been granted by U.S. Immigration Court. The court heard evidence relating to actions taken by Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor, including the OSP's earlier discussion to declare Mr. Oforiata a fugitive from justice at a time when he was reportedly undergoing medical treatment in the United States, and why his lawyers remain in communication with investigation in Ghana. The court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. Prof, I hire me there. What's say? The court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. Where is underlined? Second paragraph. The court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. And the charges near the book.
Ghana. Krata we one and in Sashas.
Minka premu
no ya
lawyers no.
And the lawyers in the can't answer we.
According to you.
And the way I reported speech. Reported by Aya Minka Premu. So what I say? Aya reported.
Bruce Catlin and partners.
Nyabo me pato me invite. You be invite him. Ye di en komo.
Where you fiem komo. Where you born.
We know Aya reported speech.
And was it the
and you know I was saying the actual court statement on this particular so we can also ruling. So the ruling so we can also read and infer the meaning.
However, the court ruling was made within the context of a United States immigration proceedings. The court decision was focused on whether Mr. Oforiata met the legal requirement for adjustment of status.
Anyway, no. Maybe so. Ade we no. Sa issue we no. I want to find out eye court na Oforiata ekojina ye no. Was it as a result of eye Ghana for yen semu a ye ka say ye hia no say wo beba man mu ana say na ni immigration status e ho asem questionable.
Not just the immigration status of Wasem no Mokokai.
Okay.
And the repatriation in India and no Maya.
According
to this letter.
Actually, the court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible.
Not credible. Not just some now
what you say, Susu? Hey, now the Honorable Kennedy Japan Akasa.
Wabubum. What did jam? What did jam?
Me pato Honorable Kennedy. Say Afari Hospital, say what hospital, say their finality. Kennedy, Eddie Abeto, Dakaya, Safwa Wahi, Fama Minamimo. Hey, say the way. Okay, say that, where you gem? Can I bet you gem?
Honorable Kennedy.
Okay. Say the way you gem. Hey, now him the Okana.
Trim.
Mina mean trim. My young children, son, young trim. Because I could trim or my cabby. Yes, I know. Kaya, Minister Ben, Ben, I did. Say, Ken, one MPP, minority, no, woman,
Shut.
Mr. Shato, shut. I say Ghana first. But when said next year birthday.
I
got grab a French about Quisipu.
And you to happy birthday.
Oh, no, come on, buy. Oh, no, buy of you. You're not French about Quisipu. What is 66 years?
What donate?
Oh, that you're winning now. You're winning. You ever come once? You ever come once? You ever come once? Such a man Quisipu in special aid. Chaman Quisipu in special aid. That, yeah, share. Bernard to say.
I'm Prof.
So, we are there.
About that,
Good. All right. Jump to say.
What my job because Tuesday, right? Tuesday, order.
But a moment check Kennedy report before we get into the discussions proper.
Defense and interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it. Whenever, when we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari Hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right thing for the country.
Hey, that's what MPP know about Canocray.
Yeah.
Yeah, MPP for your body and your
You were the chairman for defense.
Oh, okay.
No, I can. I said to be
Charlie, but Ghana first, Ghana first.
So that has been his idea for Ghana first.
Yeah. I said, Ben, I didn't kakra.
Now, boy, about say we are DBM.
Oh, that's how far in okay.
Until then, now this is what
that's all the hospitals there.
No, all the hospital. Also, what can I say? What's the can I say more? Can I walk at I'm there now. This is
foreign call. Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, Echo US. No crowd who cry from me, Mania. No, Papa, mo what to say. I read that to my habako. No, could just see. Echo Boston Penemo. There were two dancing niema no nso wo hye ho de
oh wo hye ho akoba mesi wo bodwuma kura sre kane no a na wodru US won so manfo bondin sa na
eh papa US hakura de na no kodwogye company limited age ba bia wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada eba adansie ho niema de a obia se na kodwogye company limited na matese wo bie depo kasie bi e wo kaso a e ho na wo bia koto adansie ho niema na eye no kura papa
oh eye no kura pa a police station in Chenhua.
Hey, a kuoba sempre monono. Onye mereda.
She, we kura no mi ensemua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko abu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na na kodwogasi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just say the board dance wo. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wosa wobu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wosa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwisu Akra road femeso opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and a Manfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93.
Nana Kojesi Company Limited.
Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsia
Local continental dishes will be a chanania Hajia special local foods ewo hacho atomic kwano so hono the entire friendly local foods in say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes so apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de ye aduane say special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 47 7215 059 479 7215 for na with them 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsani fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womo no. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu eton no. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing the mount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni aya ma wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obie him say, just hot kinky, and noa, and you serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to Freyen, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mouth, never say what was said, was a pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
Just hot kinky.
and yeah, hot.
For Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Menemuka say a Jampo, he speaks for this CPP. What's Nasi Sasona, a Benjamin Asari, also Kasama MPP Amanyukun, what Nasi. Benjamin, that is saying,
Prof.
Bibiabo Cordia.
Oh, and Shadanya Bokosa.
Ade.
Now I will share on my Umuya, yeah, tracing Yamea Duma Ochna. Black Star for best start or football. I'm match and I release stress a kakra. A dear 3 years because they say we are Ghana for the donor BP Nenamino. Say Yamea Mwachna. Na ye intimi anhwe match na release stress kakra dia na chese o mampani John Dramani Mahama na NDC dia e yukum no mu kum Ghana for because
sa na wo hu no
bibie ni ho no mo akoso yes sa pepepe na Ghana for nyina ka se oman na yewum sisi ya no ade bia yewura John Dramani Mahama a promise Ghana for se oba social contractor on Ghana for esan say yenhwe so ne ento abama no ne yedi ahini kese pa wo mu no na ye baako enum ena o ka kire Ghana for so oba eno ne ade a obeye de ama Ghana for because eno na Ghana for hwehwe
all right so
ne wo ka say sa ne ma ni nyina na nya de a yewura president watimi aye de aboa Ghana
mama ndi nkomo we imbrasisi ya yakwa amano so na ye ne chairman Kwesi Poku edi nkomo o ye party chairman because party chairman the NPP's party chairman 4th Emma West constituency and a close ally to Honorable Kennedy Japan. We understand today is his birthday. That wakako ye donations been near Mebimu. Chairman Kwesi Poku to say.
So you know
yeah when you pa na birthday mudi kra wan to nsafre.
Oh, and then yeah. If you are birthday and not birthday and not ever Kennedy or Japan. Ever on the Saka only beautiful. Or yet near ma or Niminde. The Nuntina Yazara River from only beautiful. Near ma in Yagana, a kind of a Kennedy Japan, Akoma, and away.
A he found a Ken, a coya doye. You and then you remember Kennedy. I Japan, happy birthday, and then 66 years ago, now, you have Kennedy in Japan, you go campaign. You won't go in your accident, and my baby was no bonso. Clinic kids will be a year and go on or share more or say of a mom hospital equipment, of a mom incubators, and your man account. The Abani and the Hospital our former chef ongoing with you on his 6th birthday and never Kennedy edition. And wait to the police, Accra Region Police Command. And boys give patrols out there. Also, a car, the patrols and send. And a brand new pickup worth $54,000. And they have a Kennedy and the Makoma Regional Police Command, Accra Region. So we are also that is serving military hospital, Kwesi Cardio Center. One of them department, also Munika, essential same brand new pickup. But we are 37 there or the incubators, the new account, and or the other hospital equipment, disposable gloves, disposable, and you have a baby or the new account or the man. That is a military hospital as part of the support for the 37 military. We are in Accra Region, find 15 motorbikes. That's Accra Region. We are some few hospitals across the nation. Incubators totaling 40 or to say, and above that, I can give you the list of hospitals of Mumbai. Where did they have about Kennedy in Japan? Or did I have 6 years?
15 motorbikes, And
Obi say the motivation pa aye denga. You know this my on his birthday.
Really, the trademark, I don't know what he can do for society.
Okay, so we saw
what he can do for society.
Okay, so we saw a video of him also referring to the minorities' claim on Afari, a military hospital. And then he says that he wants to set the facts right. And Oka say, Wabra MPP, was one for the 8 years, you know. Oban Fashi Anka Afari Military Hospital. Were you there when he was granted that interview?
Yes. That was at Shashi at the private office. What happened was that the journalist said, what is his take on the minority? The majority is allowing the minority from going there. Or see, or maybe matters of health never in politics.
Okay.
Or no feeling say after years, he had all the opportunity at the party to have completed. You know, guess this is you're already about him. One of the ones that
all right, Winia, but is there going to be any celebration after what you are doing today?
No, what is happening is 6 years. If you believe or don't say, or you the Bible say, any baby has 3 scores and death, and now 17 years. Or the reason say, go by the Bible, think it's like 4 years. When you want to be able to be a other, the 66th birthday, or the to near maybe if you are not feeling that a toast or man, a amount for out here. Changing the politics near money, the politics and the MPP on behavior. You're not feeling is that when I make my idea about 37. Obviously, maybe more than people in the society that have benefited from Ghana. And he feels that these people can also be of help. Maybe they are to abide so.
All right.
You know, so this issue of he doesn't want to get involved in.
But Robert active politicking come 2028 general election.
Yes, he's going to do that. He's going to do the genuine one. The president of what they say, government has said, and MPP, NDC, will stop here. But he took it for a different angle. That 8 years, if you could do it, we need to be ashamed of what you will. And I believe that it was a genuine concern, it was the right concern. It was a mark of a statesman who was speaking.
The party would not be happy with him, considering the fact that he set a record straight, and for that matter, going against the New Patriotic Party. You think the party would be happy with him?
Where you sit, you're kind of
Me too.
Where you sit, you're kind of
I'm not obliged to answer questions
no
from you, but
in any case,
yes.
In any case, Obi Bia Pumo, Obi Korea, Obi Korea, Obi Korea, all that have solved the problem.
No.
Oh no, see, 37, incubate a new, with incubate a back. 37 car, the different of 1 department over the car back. Motor area patrol with the diaba. What you want to hear? Means to be the way other source. In any case, you need one way, it will be a higher politics. It will be a higher politics. Oh, but I don't blame Obia.
All right.
MPP, you what? Abemuno. Kojominta, how do you intervene?
Akando.
NTC, Buko to job, what to Korea, win, how to do it. Be committed to some way to but we cannot be doing the same old thing. What are the solutions to the problem? Solutions, practical solutions. I mean, I have a this also about it. Kotia MPP down go here. Kotia NDC, MPP NDC, somebody MPP starting here, so we tell you, why about that? I've been for 60 years, I haven't been able to be able to think now. And they are NDC will be a NDC. Now, no NDC will be a so this thing, This kind of thing must stop. So he wants to be Oman Bapa. It is but your kind
all right, you better was say, but when are you Dabena Beba? Yeah, Dabena, you show anymore. Okay, Yawada, you better Safro, why?
No,
yeah, that's it. All right. Shall I go see Ricardo? Ben, what's your incommodino? But also Mike, no mammy, why?
Prof.
Yeah.
Yo, me das. Send na me kasa me chairman Kwesi Poku. Eba no indefatigable chairman Kwesi Poku. Oba ya wa ba be chire nsemu kama no. Prof na me ka kire o se nneema nye boko wo mamu ha. Na ye bompa ye se nyame ya aduma wo chena. Black Star for no be start o mu game no. Na release stress kakra de amagana for because ahokyere ye namu o mamu ha na yade a hadwen ye pa because you are president oka se Ghana nya nemu gidie biem ni mpire nu so no oba no ode Ghana for kwa apam e ma Ghana for te ase ne ma waye na adwen se oba a obeye de aboa Ghana for e ma Ghana for nya nemu gidie ekokoto abama no so Ghana for dodo na expect se ne nsem na okan no nyame ya adum obenya atumi no ode beye adwuma Prof ne me be ya adwen say you are president John Dramani Mahama e ka kire ye say unemployment e wo mamu ha ne kosuru ye pa nti the policy bi ba ye friend no 24-hour economy 24-hour economy no e 133 one job 3 people 3 shifts eno no okogina Cape Coast e de watch ball na chi e kire e 24-hour economy no mu ye pa. And don't forget to say, get na no ni gina hono. Na or chere on the president chere 24-hour economy no. And then me know ka say 24-hour economy no when ya ho adwuma or presidential staffer. Me know ka say ni nuanom ma ne mema. Esese ka 24-hour economy no omu chere mu no. Ka omu nso benya biaye no. Say on the president nyina ye omu adwen say 24-hour economy no say adane 24-hour market. Na ye sisi wo mamu ha. Prof ukomi kuro mu wiamwase a president last week Tuesday no akokate sword e wo wiamwase se wo kwakusi 24-hour market me no ka se mi kuro mu wiamwase boy 11 p.m. no obi ada kuro ni nyina hu obi a wo obi a be hia ni bia no na chese wanra obeka so ye ya no mu bi enso me ne wo ka se ye president akokate sword se obaba be si 24-hour economy wadada Ghana for ama Ghana youth no dodo na ensesi fam osaka kire say galamsey is going to be a thing of the past me no ka say president na ankasa begitumu o mamu ase ono an nkrofo atu atese e wo galamsey num ama sese ne kon no ayeden nti me no ka say yensuo ne ye forest say ya na gusu a eseko president she cocoa farmers bo say oba abra na eto cocoa 3,100 and the president ka so oba or the beko 6,000 Ghana cedis e de ama ekuafo cocoa farmers me no ka say we disappointing cocoa ekuafo a omo nso eje omo hu bibia omo twa etwamene e wo Ghana ha ana omo di areho uyi anu firi honom a ne ebeto odwa kese pa ene yese yede kenoforia tamra Ghana ha na omo se bibi wo honom omo tu din a ye frɛ no ora operation recover all loot na operation recover all loot no omo estimate ma Ghana fo nyina ate ase se na nado danko akufo ado aban etimi de nensa boga na sika mu a oka ni nyina abomu a eye $24.7 billion ye je say sika na e ade a Ghana for the past 10 years ye nkonko bobosia wo Ghana ye mmobosia wo amanoni biem $24.7 billion no me no ka say report wo me de command the first gentleman of the land ni legal advisor attorney general obeka kire ye say sa oral document in dodo na almost 70% eyewura nyansa bi enim enti no sa oral nhehye na o de baaye no enya de a eye enti prof president na ya de a wasi wadada Ghana for ye pa me no ka say electricity president baaye no watumu by 24% enti 2024 electricity anameto no and me no ka say akosoro by 24%.
Na say Ben. So answer we every time bia baby no.
Just a president na ye ho adwuma. Sa wonye ho adwuma anytime bia nyame de ne menkwa. Ebeche mi bia meko studio bia no. Me reminded the president say apamo a one Ghana for ekoye no. Ye koso kai no. Ghana for dodo na e kai ne say ne ye wo ka kire ye so obeye no. Yesre no ye remfi ye. Se wono ne refidi a Ghana for e kai ne say ebo na wo share ye no oni so. Inti prof mekoso aka akopem say yewura president ode ose ebeye oyo na ne wo share boss wo be no waya ma Ghana for nya sa dia enya dia meja akada so ya dia no si wono a say ya papa kene Japan na ne birthday so daddy me ma happy birthday nyankopon won hira opa na onto nkwanam o ma wa ahoden a enkwa ewom Prof last mba me catch us say me take inspiration from Yera Kennedy on here Japan and the man me condor say me communication adwuma so any day anywhere I me find myself bia me wo studio bia no me dey aseda be ma ye papa Kennedy on here Japan na enen so ye na wo dey there me man happy birthday yankopon won hira no no nto ne nkwanam na afefade ne adoye a oye boa Ganafo Canada Japan yewura nkoa na onya ni sika wo mamu ha no ma otimi di bi yadoye enye wo top presidential jet e de tretrem ene wo
so baby o ka kono e wo so mu yado
why na make ako why na top presidential jet ya unim na o yadoye kan bi ne enwe
so why na unim na
nti unim ni pa kra de na ase make kanko baby so wo top presidential jet e wo mamu ha no me no ka se wo check e wo buru 15
sir
yes you don't know nti wadwen ko nipa ba akopɛ so nipa ba akopɛ
oh your friend is loan ho adwuma
so no so niama private jet wo
na ma adwen ko yo
oboa anya ho
de bi na hino
na niama ya do ya wo hino hu
na se ono aduane ma amanfodi
awurade nyango na se memeti ya me top private jet me no aduane ma amanfodi me top private jet but me birthday me no aduane ma amanfodi
we no so wo mo top private jet omo
nya adoye me patre say Ghana for sika for omo atoto private jet kra no omo nya adoye na yewura Canada Japan
Ibrahim mama oya adoye na so nya adoye
Ibrahim why
mama oya adoye
na so no oya adoye ma ni nua be ma oto ne private jet enye ni nua no ode fa no
oya adoye ma ni nua be ma
na wo mi hu bi aka ne
Abranche office South Africa ba ya na djuma asem enye Ibrahim mama na ma na djuma oye
o ma ne di adwuma South Africa for na ba ye ni nyina o mu nyina ya ma o musika
amanfo mu ta yade obehu na wayi sika kidney problem
na wo ni amanfo o mu yale aye ye hwe wo mu ana ye de ma news mu ye nua anya president nti no onte nti ye nya hwe sa na pese o ka kire
oni Ibrahim mama o problem ana
ada na me no problem me ni problem na wo so no ni me wo problem
wo de anka me ya ni wenya problem
ada na so ni me nya problem
efa Ibrahim
mado ya me ye no nka ho asem because of mentor private jet nti no wo nya mado ye ho asem Ibrahim Mahama ya do ye dia na wa ba be ka
twen meba
ada na wo ye nipa yi musa
twen meba safo Abranche ote wa ye wa do ye pen
safo Ibrahim Mahama wa ye wa do ye pen Safo dia tiem
David Ibrahim why you do ye pen onim no wo dia wonim no why na do ye pen
na Ibrahim Mahama ne wo se wo bo no South Africa no onim no
enti me
Ibrahim Mahama
me adoya ma yama no
me maka wa
adoya ma yama adoya ma yama
se me nka wa
adoya ma yama
me nim so aya adoya last time kra ni mi ko didi wo dome restaurant wo na atu ama me adoye ni bia ba me nyi uboni aye me na ma ya adoye me na me ma ya madoye na won kan ho asem na wo ye nipa yi mu nti no wo se Ibrahim Mahama no ya adoye a wo be ka
ma me nase
ta ye ho a emojaba enti treat ye nyina pe na Ibrahim Mahama onye nipa foforo nsene Benjamin Asani amiti ye
okay say wo kwa koye eye adoye afre
me ko constituency organizer o mo ho da wuro krada
no kre
o mo ho makatre no
David
Ibrahim Mahama na propose sesi a ko be ba de kan
David Mintida o
me ko constituency youth organizer me youth organizer makatre say me ko me na no me de me ka kra ma say pressure wo so to ma me ko election o kan ho asem da
na se ka na yato
Ibrahim Mahama na mu obi sika kakra bia o be ba betena abona ba so
na David Ben mami bisa say election now wo ko no wa bo mama ne
maka kyerɛ wo
so wo elections ben
o say
wo election ben
constituency organizer maka kyerɛ wo and pretend say o
Debi
kura ka kyerɛ so obɛboa me o say wo hu
Debi min kai
wo say me mompa ye ma na atoto ne ma bi wo bɛboa me
Debi men kan say mun to ma so
enso amanfo na wa betena
but jump on it say
ndogwa oni very good me papa no ntumu yo osi oko constituency organizer
ne wo pe bia nso me pe
entinu
dia me pe bia wo pe
Prof osi oko
and you said they will pass ra no me pass ra
Prof osi oko constituency organizer ye manu
e che for mo fanche to the bia you know we ease the pressure
for sure.
Okay, and let's go to the issues. Kennedy.
Well, I think, sir, this is not the first time, and I think it's not going to be the last time or your donation. The last time or your donation, on your donation, maybe this is Nyango friend. But Ken, one of the politicians, very, very, very good. Doye. Bebre he cuts across and you know and now would that into bebo yebese nyankopon say o mana hoden o mana nyansa all right na o mana ye adoye no more nyankopon ka no ho o mana ahoden pa because he's one so anyo bia no wosika ebu wosika sin no but o musika no hu but ono de kana kuma o ye the nyankopon boar no kan ho
yeah but I say but on the issue of Ayafari hospital the okan no so e
nukwa turu nukwa na waka no because a chairman of defense and interior committee at that time they were in power until like he said no you don't expect someone to use 15 months to do something whilst you've wasted your 8 years. Ghana first. And that has been his slogan and his mantra.
But you're here, they say, ever had the minority power.
Home. Sikano loan I got you to you. Or company tax
Let's touch on the issue briefly of a church for one sodia school koda. One dear my trapia, one more area with school more.
Asifim. But school kolano sono. Bebrins rushi, almost runyami, almost rushi. Almost runyami, almost rushi. To the extent say you can date your teacher. Laboratory is where you're going to have your funny feeling. It's very unfortunate. But they should take this matter serious because this is coming from the backyard of the president. He has been an MP in this Bolibambwe before. So they should take the matter very, very serious.
What we say, Bonnie or we Bonnie? Baby, how far Bonnie was who Quacudino? Your mum penny crum no could be Bonnie.
Where the MP were for 3 consecutive times or even more. Stand to be corrected. Well, now when you're behind, yes, I did.
But Unim, this is something a coso.
A coso what share, and yet Nasem. A coso war secondary schools in Bebre, a coso war universities Bebre. Yeah. Seven times sex for way. It happens.
But in this particular case, you know, and your sex for anything.
Sex for pleasure.
Just so much in pleasure for over 1 year.
Sex for pleasure. Over 1 year.
So how do we stop this kind of attitude?
It can never be stopped.
Yentimi.
Debbie.
Asamen okay.
Yentimi.
I don't know me.
War free tete. Social media anti na won is ano. If parents
talk to the awards. That you are sent to school to go and learn to become somebody in the future. Know where you are coming from and where you are going. Enya sa wabuno mano kasapa. Whether he will take it or he will leave it, it's up to the child. Sure, where ba? Ebi crap when ebi koso baby. Awa bebre across the country. Just St. John's, I say, drive past here in the evening and you see what happens there.
Then no.
Whom my dressy baby. Yo, and yeah, teens. Then ask yourself, say, if you approach them, you know what they're doing. They're doing a lot of things. It's happening. First, on my way, moon. Say, Nyankupon and Kaya.
But have we failed as parents? You're failing as parents, Anna.
Parents are doing their better. Social media has failed this country.
Social media, yes. A failing country.
Yes.
Ghana.
Yes. Once the UK, Prime Minister says 16 years, he's banned from social media.
Yeah.
What are we doing? This is what St. George should do.
Banning of social media?
Less than 18 years than the porno stuff.
Let me listen to Ben on this. Ben, Sadia we know you're bad day. Watch that.
Debbie, Prof, I think it's a serious matter.
Because me much rather.
Yeah, so I understand how
you feel.
How you feel because the way or taking matter no serious. Now I say serious on some of my na because nkwalare na na Ghana future. It is a near maybe in Korea. I see a can say near city. Now a very bad Prof. You see, all time one now the children any training unya or training college. Acquire your fast why you training.
Sure.
And then training colleges are a war memoir. Who say a vast difference. First, no crown on missions colleges, pan and Dawson training college. Yes, into a honor, yeah, acquire our fast war psychology, you know.
Oh, yeah,
you're training in
Wesley College.
Yes, acquire our fast war, obe handle on Qualano, acquire our fast war, no more Casa, Nina form part of training now, Ubenya school. No. But and then no, a man for be fan and say, I is a police. Oh, yeah, you man, into any unquestioned police musa. Into police in Nankasa su, any police in Sheshayano, eninimu. Into ye because of Bosome Swa, ye bet to Yanaka, and nothing no police. And no one woman the Aquaku Red Training College, because on himself first and obey 10, 15 years going. Obi training college, Najuma Daho. And because of that, you know, only passion for teaching. Yan only calling no or pebibia ye near wo pes wo ye in future no onya nti ene me mfa me ho nkonkose teaching no musa ayeden a me wie pe ye be post to me obenya teacher training allowance ebinom wo kra no ombe wie no na training allowance na om dey ato half plot no dey nti no ahofa ma no a wo dey kwakira de na ankasa ne eni ho na emomu no oni hwe a wo be ye. So young guys and now we secondary schools no we na teachers no 27 28
oh they be
25
27 28
enkwala nko
22 23 24 25
and so who students no nkwala na omo che omo ade nso omo nyina ye size and nkwala no so aba ne nyamese enka no kra mayo no so no ba bi aduro no omo nye
mayo no
nkwala ne ye stubborn. Until we teacher, ni teacher, ni krana sa why careful. Ni enkwala we betimi dey ayo. You have no idea.
Enkwala na be ye teacher for na dey na say teacher for na
I'm telling you say na unia na SHS student. Sebe enkwala omu kosua dey girls girl be 16 17 e dey come let's see one when anu omu didi president atem.
Mekai.
Na unia.
Mekai.
Obetimi dey yisi ye dey ye school. Mo aware na maame fo no mo nso mu kuru mu ye ni ye ba
No correct.
So look at all these things. And Kwalano training ben woman was school.
So have we failed as teachers and as parents? Parents.
I won't for now do no treat teachings are more than more will fear no and so play key wakolabi abrabum because a bay ya won kwala baby no wo school mu and so be hwemu no oba enya dia prof ba e be kwa akoye sebe niamo ho ade wei oba nye because I want tete ya wo de man wo fie prof obi ba wakoye SHS efiri sakola no ko wura school mu ono on fafo on ya free PTA kura na on kompo no akohwese ne ba no kura te se wo school mu
no kure
eno anso ode ne ba na koja school mu akola ni bedidi obeye de obi kura timi ka se o kwatena school mu ono ne o me hu nyina nam de ama wo fi ade ko no enti kwa ya wo be fa so a wo be survive wo school mu ono eye wo wasem so ye besere baby a enkwala no daache e ko no se ya mfa ye na ye nsi femu yie ni anhwe se ye be teaching kwala ni yie in fact even dress code kura kwala ni use ko school kura no e problem first no ye was specific dress a wo be hye wo school mu a what say bibia no ye say there ye say computer system unti no Ghana no say bibia ye different o unti me kura nko obi asem na hwa kolai pa de we a wo si hwe na odi na nim hwe na chi wo hwe ono ankasa we twa picture ono hwe na chi na wono mpo hwe na chi na teacher ni no ono ankasa oba no na chi ye ne fe na teacher ni bo ye otuo yi onye ne sei so me hwe video no me ye mo se me na teacher ni no nso no na ni gia na age no ade na no wo ye no one kasakura no etis no kura we teaching na yi no kura no e ma wo kwai say
what on video no
masha
ana one mama
e wo me phone so me push ama so me push
me pesa be ba me phone
Sam George person o stop no o si me push ma
there be me pesa be ba me phone so
na ba hwa wai
ma hwa wo phone so
me phone so nti don't me hwe so pa kwa ya mfa so aminya ya nso benya saa no ahwe
me da se
enye we bi ne ye pese Sam George ebra nye nubi we ne de ehun hia ati ase ese ye condemn ne ye ma teacher for now you see enkwala ne ye St. John's grammar high say
yeah
be a year ago enkwala na te association girls association bi wo school mo na teachers ni nyina ya we o but all the asem we ya fan out enkwala no ebo anwumre Saturday bia no 5:30 a school no echi ho no ewura onzo mo atwa wo after school no omo wo ba bia omo say girls come no omo kwatena eyi omo meeting school no mo and the teachers na man kwala no ho kwan nti ebo 7 a omo aye ne say kind of esu ye kobon paye ene saa ne ma nti aye club e wo school mo and nkwala no kwatena ho no say omo dididi omo ho nkomo say ni nyina no ye initiate no omo ye omo initiate nkwala na wo ba ayiye ekosu lesbian ne saa ne ma na ekosu wo ni nyina ene omo de akwala ba kukuko shemu di akwala na omo de no ko shemu no no so ye sofo ba ene o blow alarm no me say a day asem ni see ye no akwala no ye say akwala na ko yi omo ama na behwe omo boys nso club e wo school wo iti girls no omo wo emema de ho ne ema nso de ho na girl no emomu no ene boy baako a friend ono nso wo club no wo St. John's wo na girls ne boys ni de asi ani wo school mu wo eba news nyina UTV fo nyina akọ sebe sister station nyina akọ so near cost na too much
but we are cost no the worst of it they say GS be pamo abranti aso cheche ni wo mo pamo ni wi a wafa no ho edi
na we kura ni kwa so ofa no ho ni sakola ni when routine won na
there be we no akola no for now there ni age nya pie ni age enyempie
ba waso
ba teacher ni die ba teacher ni die we dwane
we dwane
fi bole ho
okay because so hwem fo
ba teacher ni we almost born ho modern pa
me ba
na ba adechira we you fantastic chemistry ni sania ma no
acha say ni sisi mu ha no
na cha say
modern kama
ni den ha
but so obi obo no modin bia nanso wo no ho what ya say ono no nanso ye ni sisi ontimi control ni sisi na de ontimi control sisi a emfa nkonkwala na wo kire omo ade no so wo kire wo se wanyini wo teacher ni wa bru 18 enti wo betimi akwabonte akoye ni obe bia
na akola bi hawa wo be den wa resist
wo panimu
enti na wo dwane no
one so so dia wo dwane
Prof, because I've ever gone through such a situation. Tamara me kira de o two bodom.
So they no
kola sorry or tro love letter there bro. And I make a chance when you had your ye na me remember head teacher.
Yes, because one say wo no time no na make a chance say training na unya ye no. Emma wo kra wo nso akola no so.
Make a chance say when you had your ye na make a chance head teacher. Sometimes na me free training college ma bam no.
Azata tuntumi so oh a problem by nyamen kan hwe me de me ne metimi aka fa wan say we aban no ntimi nhyɛ da nya ho hwe saa
oh there be
na we nso no yenyi president Mahama Kurom asɛm no enfrim ne ya abɛyɛ kese no no sɛ asi woni Kurom ze woni hobiem enti no act na oh ye ne Kurom home sweet home oh no dey home sweet home dey ba ontimi nya ho hwe but yes ra awofo no
teacher ni be man dey o be man
now so who ya da na so ebe ma
safo na ka kire
wo dey bia no
me ba jo halali that say
Prof Boko ya do
ya Boko there ye da nyame ase okay, this issue of nkola boni some way schools yet a cheche for mo we a friend is school nkodai ade ayaka ho asema but we are not seeing an end to it.
Prof Mamicha on my brothers over here comrade in Ben your production team any SOMPA for you now James my elite kakra na sin traffic na okrom de enye utafifie a particular time add 30 minutes to it because you see I dey one yen sa so be me ba no na meetie car me fire no na you know the program was going, the show was going on, but Ben almost 3 work no oh yes almost 3 papa Okofa Ibrahim Mahama 7 by almost 3 papa oh yes kan man na metin na nkofo start so omobobo your friend is Miami crew man the tidal waves esi ye no the trailer no this is niama eduane of course in fact me see na she me pa say minim kran ka me record o ye say go man be si wa na odo so team free no team free e de chop mine Ndi se ba na doye dia ben dia ma ne mfa nko ho ye boy Ibrahim din pe ye din only classmate on na ko boy Ibrahim so me come as a man nti I want to card so much out masre ya we pa Aboji we've come a long way through the wrong way. I had the privilege of attending Bishop Herman College in Pando. It's a boys' school. Me cool school no. My first day I went to Bishop Herman College. People who were my seniors in the 3rd year, some of them were married men. True. They were coming from the hinterlands. Nti watena ho ebi wo ho wado o kere we fu o woni sa nyama na we jam measure very very mature people. Today go to our secondary schools and go and see. Ebi anese na okay. By 23 22 years somebody has come out of teacher training going for their first posting. They are so young. And you see, I think the whole thing is, let's separate the two things. For me, I'll take it from the ethics and the moral point. Ethics in the teacher and one yard. In the first place, maybe you're no crown or problem or I think so. What being the science room, they were being part there, but M's and Adrian, I can't cry. I can yes, sisu. Luve se woho unkantu. My suspicion is I'm just suspecting something that this is not the first time. It's something he does regularly over there. So he had become comfortable with, a honum. Maybe not even just this girl. It could be a couple of them too. Because he was in a state of comfort. As a, yes. He wasn't aware of his surrounding and all those kind of things. So, it is despicable. About you go to our schools today. Now, no miss call Bishop Herman Biom. Look, about I was shocked. Some of the teachers I met over there were telling me that in Kolani Bio Honoma, one of our biggest problems in the schools right now is GES.
One of our biggest problems
in our schools is GES.
Why GES?
I'm telling you the truth. No. Are you aware they have reviewed the punitive, regime of the schools? Are you aware?
I know.
What happened? In the Akolano owns there are no consequences to in some who school. Because when you say a cry monaba, manage my punishment. That is the problem we are having today. So most of our look, when I saw this, I wasn't surprised. This is even a final year student. There is one lady B. On the crowd, we did 15 no, 16 no. Or the phone they see you soon or more live TikTok. I was in some as I can't repeat it again in the studio. I'm telling you, it's horrible. And my school parenting. I often be what I'm matching 4. Or 50 and the bastel or dampim. Or be banner boy 11 akwala into the akwala ye feeling na the money na you the parent you are not aware. Say she share the 2 man so these super pepe. These are the products. That's why when I started my initial comment I said that we have come a long way the wrong way. We have watered it down. I would mean yes, but when we're being brought up, hey,
who born you?
Our senior brothers and sisters were the ones disciplining us, not even our parents. Our senior brothers and sisters, they disciplined us, not even our parents. Wasn't bedroom, Papa no mama home. Now, oh, you are in serious trouble.
Also, they be a metrasi and a mekan. Niama say you.
I'm telling you
because me. Abochi amete. Before I mean who oba, I was 29 years and son I mean who oba.
No, but it was normal back then.
29 years and son I mean who oba.
Today is different, Abochi. Me Miss Ro. I'm being honest with you, Miss Ro. I'm scared. I'm so.
Now I'm in the SARFO kasa no. SARFO ka chem say
and Abochi na
wo ya dia papa me
I also who ye what me asha who so come Abochi nye easy
debio enye say metimi share me who so ye o ye share me so who born you Mr. Abochi who born you but Ceciano the problem is a daya mami fo ni papa fo itimu yi ubekom no ebi ye single room ebi ye chemman ho Woma wo be say 4. And you know papa ne mama ne da ho na gobone bi kra e koso between awofo na enkoda no hu. Na bofra no hu a onkoso nwe.
Those things are born out of curiosity.
And some of them too. Mami fo na na man koda ba you.
Yes, most of the lead. I got home around 10 p.m. from rehearsals from church. When I got to my area, the highest age will be amongst them will be 10 years.
10 years?
Maybe area. Maybe because you was wrong because me got there. Around that 10 p.m. area. Any nam estate slow. One by 5. Marry me, they will not even be up to 15 years. 10 p.m. So I was asking myself, so why the parents of these children? When you and whatever they are doing, they don't care. I'm saying about what you are seeing. So the teacher it is the product of very, very bad parenting that we are experiencing these days. Why? A teacher for what can they do? One way is about you are a teacher yourself. How many students can you handle at the same time? The whole problem is with parenting. Abaye we are call secondary school she's doing so well in the United States. The other scholarship.
The other scholarship, no.
Yes. Are they on one school?
School.
school now for akọ now ma say no ono wan ko bi
okobi
doesn't she have parents
Charlie
even though crowd what's them now kai say mama phone bi o no omo wa na me ensign nine no omo singing room first no na obi time wu nsia enum nyina guda ba akum
but they bought up
and so tete no ekoyie mu a obi atimi anyina be ye mpanim papa
is that bringing
the outbringing is the problem. It's not about say wo ne nkwala ni nyina wo dem mu be ye bibi ne sa ne ma no eye ekwaya wo be fa so a akola no kura betimi ehu ohu ye na de ade na wo parent no wo ka kira akola na be yi na dwen every ade na ohu ye no so nti ne ye kaka kwa nyina no eye awofo say one training wo ba yi a enya wadwen say teacher ni na wo de wo ba command was school mu no on the about training he has command amount completely you have almost 70% ba no ne life ekura wo parents
and I was teacher ni na ye de akola na be hye won sa no so onim se ontumi man ntete ye papa bia oso en fa ontanko babadua no nkoyi ni nantem nsrade
we really accept na case
yeah
akwala ye tete ni ye
ma prof
ono na wonko akwala ogina ho a ono ngasa hwa de we ya tete ni ye wo ya tete ni ye nko be sa ajewi and maybe say abaga na okọ kita school na okọ America no ono wan ko school ni bi there are several of them who are doing very very well they are not going to some of these things
teacher ni o one the students oba ntokwa wan
me hui
wo bro no fanfra
me hui
oba no later na me hwe video no na me nim say girl no kro
so Mike no
later na me hwe video no na me nim say girl no kro ye be ma
get on hoarding.
The real see man teacher ni no so first time na teacher ni na yire ni na mu no teacher ni na yire ni na mu ka get be page na twe
so oni say schools no was say before obechina there was senior high school no was say to me share teachers ni omu age no
prof say yes I revisit back old days no na ye de asotwen na ye de mankwala no esa ba bi
da bi anya asotwen no na this time my teacher for na abana kre dudu na sanction koda no
na wo say so no so wo say training na yam fa ntete nkwala no yam fa mo nkwala no eno bi the teacher ni no so fa mu
it's the same thing
ono so fa mu no ode anyini enti wono asai no ode aba ba to nkwala no enti wo mu nyina asai ko omo edi enti ne so wuti school mu
na abotchie something abotchie be
yeah
me can social media hu se me. Do you know in China and other parts of the world, there are channels that children cannot access?
Yeah.
On social media. Are you aware?
Minim.
Nti yeye ti higher then. Ban say na kwalati me money phones e wo school. Our phones not banned in schools.
They are banned.
You see I'm telling you GES is our problem. Ghana Education Service. They have a problem. Teachers will seize these phones. Some way somehow no be wan na kwala na kwaji phones no.
No order from above.
But what is the meaning of that? Phone here in Memphis school. What they call teacher is easy. How do they return it to you? Can't they keep them and wait till your parents are brought to school?
Me say suyantra
me say enede mabama busa
abamu be bu go baby e ko na no
na me baby call odogo no
say me ba say teacher ni etimi ni school ni abaya eye fight teacher ni etimi ni school ni abaya eda akakakra teacher ni any school nearby ya or me warrior tennis school.
About you kai kitchen stool there no.
Oh,
okay dear mama kan. She said she was aware. Said teacher ni the ban air thing. I wo.
Ya me fan crane see kitchen stool so. Oh, ade.
Oh, in somebody be out here. We am shishi o.
I'm saying parent.
What him say me na me buy call Odogono secondary school. What him say what the phone?
They can ho asem no obetimi akọ your YouTube page see ya. Yeah, oche ni. Wow.
Hey. So the way akoba na dey no show no. Coordination worker. Teacher ni ti bo wa. Now the teacher ni ne bo no kra fe no obo ne to. Wo dey akola na asefem no obo no hwehwe. Ne to no wo se bo.
They be so obo ne ni.
Na so di carbon na ni.
Obo ni first blue answer na ohun said ni no call nti no.
Hwe oba bare hwe. O solid hwe. Me say teacher ni lucrative.
Charlie. Debbie. Oh, say no.
Serious. But I'm critical about if I see children misbehaving, they're all
Say a hard drink.
I don't know ye free or no they hard drink.
Prof, me say massem bi.
Kenin. I was say yes, you introduce you Kenin.
I know some
not Kenin necessarily. Because some of the teachers were abusing it. Yet me go bia na nichi na pipe and all those kind of things.
Also when you you can you bet me link no to.
Olali who say police ne Kenin na na wo ho no. Now we be mu a nipa be 100 no teacher ni be ba ko bi na be abuse.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What you say? But 90 plus ni nyina no make sure say omo dey training kwala no man kwala no ye.
Oh yeah, mistake onim say be gwa. Yeah.
But here is the case who go kwala no kwala ni me be ba school mo come and fight you. The parents come and fight you.
Abotchie say dey o.
No, school no kwala. Wo dey opa kwala ye nyi aba ni film. Who school na ye bone a o mate fo nyina wo class sua de na wo do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my big ass me chemo. Tama, they posted me. That was 96, or is it 97? The first appointment to Bodom RCJHS. And kola me chiro mo ade no. The last time me share bako. E wo pa become a who know. What is say Abotchie? Hey, sir, me who we dey na ope. Unfortunately for me na, o say akokra ma point you me ti back baby na me se me pe. One bottle beer. Oh, teacher ni ba akola iba ye. O say me post ni o me penyin wo post ni. Oh, and you know, and I'm menji be 4 crates. And I was like, well, o say Mr. Abotchie ubuyengo. But ubuyen.
Me say because school make asapa. To talkative they be I throw me din. That Roman school.
Charlie, but
Ben, what your dinner to her?
Ben, Mama Yansha,
it's one best way to be body.
Yansha universities, so. Say, guys are more universities. Me say, no Pentagon, Legon. No, we do how we can be far.
You saw the videos?
No, me
I saw the videos.
Charlie!
Free show. Free show.
Me say, many o man hene. Anya ye call baby, ye call East Legon, ye call party bi. Ni eba. Na me say campus hono no. Over 1 hour na e traffic mo. Na wo hwe emaye
free.
Wo mo dressing bia wo mo de nam. O mo ho nyina gu.
Na me ka free show. Ono da video.
Emaye ni nyina. O tu so do da hu gu. After on my hand is Abotchie until me may.
No,
may. Of course. No, but Ben, UCC issue here.
Very unfortunate.
When you're a rich guy, so a rich guy, you become a driver, according to the police.
So, it's not a
39-year-old man. Yeah, actually, no. Police were picking on. Or a driver.
Yes, you're a teacher.
No, so a teacher. Or a teacher cum driver.
Okay. Any boyfriend.
I know they've not been able to communicate that to us.
I thought it was a ride hailing internet driver never found. If you never found a call baby or call you na.
Charlie.
Because the police are being careful with the investigation to accuse the guy.
But maybe it was just the driver.
The driver.
Oh, never found was Angel BB Plaza now.
The call. Very unfortunate too. Very unfortunate.
Very.
Charlie.
But we have to admonish our younger sister. There's a reason you went to school. You see what?
Yeah.
If the young person doesn't know why they are in school, those are the things that will be happening.
But why must you be there? You know the reason why you are there.
Go. Okay, no. And so could diagro. One could see there.
Hey, Charlie. Me say dear me who ye no.
Could diagro. One could see.
I said, and you're one of the first people I'm going to invest in. No. Because what? People have become chief justice nominee and big position.
No, but this time there is too much. Too much.
And they'll do these things and the professors will give them grade.
Of course, there's a grade.
Oh, they'll pass. I'm pass it.
Grade in the
I'm pass it. How much that one that?
No, but you ready?
How much that one?
Me am shimi o.
I tell you, I don't be some who say. Come na me ko university no na sa na me tiana.
Beautiful question.
Won't this ba na order? but never join this kind of behavior. Because
All
you
right.
know where we are coming from, you know where we are going.
All right. That say Oforiata. Say your man a permanent stay or US.
Wanyama.
Debi na ba almost say
Nyabotre. Umama Mike. Ben. Say Oforiata nyama o.
Wanyama sese menti ase.
Your man a permanent stay.
Because any extradition hon asem na ekodi nti uka wanyama sese.
Oh, there be o. Na say yenim say.
An immigrations and the status or the better America and one sem.
Anti your man a permanent stay.
Nti say permanent stay no nkyere say your person obo mamu hanu ma wonti member.
But what can a lawyer na letter no de buy no.
Menkai.
Safo fa letter no to so me na me pese me chere ben bibiu na or responded to because who letter na pa but what chere say
Kind man.
person me hu Safo me chere fa letter no to so me na me ma ben me ntwi na adwen si baby kakra
okay
because
no the baby or the be come time
oh there be me fan count time be ma time am wakasa okay and you know where minka premo or say bonsu Bruce Kathleen and partners okay and this is the pressure nobody abano Ken Oforiata's green card 1458 petition has been granted by US Immigration Court. The court had evidence relating to actions taken by Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor, including the OSP's earlier decision to declare Mr. Oforiata a fugitive from justice at a time when he was reportedly undergoing medical treatment in the United States and while his lawyers remained in communication with investigators in Ghana. The court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. Me pacho. Sure. And da hono. What say me pacho. The court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible. However, the court ruling was made within the context of a United States immigration proceedings. The court's decision was focused on whether Mr. Oforiata met the legal requirements for adjustment of status. Auntie Ben.
So I say more can say a reported speech no ma.
Lawyer
ne ka asemo a
their lawyer kan wunyini
no me pese me kire say lawyer ne ka asemo a e course wo court any reasons are ye the grant na ya ma no sa stay now obetimi stay wo meboa so a reported speech na lawyer ne ka na court ne ka ye no so ka kire ye what I say but say we yi enu free ho a say we ne court no we can me kura ni she no nam nim say lawyer no and na canadrin because me
where the lawyer na canadrin
no but also the court also the court me ba
you see the court finds the criminal charges in Ghana not credible.
Yes, the court the criminal charges in Ghana no no court no efa no say enye credible. What you say because near anwama ujina has here or ye no wama o see before then no kra na yanka Oforiata menye Oforiata yanka na asem kra no na OSP declare so ye fugitive abra ne yamfa ne nkogina court enka na asem na we declare obi so ye fugitive no court no agina so say san eniye na begin e course no na nya papa wo merem etinia I lawyer ya dia ba dia say bibi eni ho but we should establish the fact say sa case we na Oforiata awi ni no enye one Ghana na enya eye one US for na Ghana for per se ye kofa ne ba Ghana anom by force and ono so say me won to me yare untime me fa me ma half force ma me mewu esese me hwa me ho wa bruchire ana ekwaye abema magina maka US one ma hwa me ho no yese me time no I expire nti esa me ko fight na menya enyina so a betimi ama matena kurom wo nti Oforiata den waye ono kra wo ye obi a oye law abide wa dimra so am make sure say US not wo no what wo kronkron bibi eni ho oni obi eni asem one Ghana ni asem say Ghana for mu fi sem mu hia na eno ansem be ko ne nche na me na kasa boko no waba because they say one for so I'm faster than I'm Tamakru, the Bianco Fanama, or no, second home US, Wakao, or Mama Perry or Ghana. Because Obas is here, Moano Cran, someone Becca no Cramudi Becuno. You want in the baby, Moto Manena, near Befan and this no I review, where Hubia or in the baby, intimate row, where dear, candy about Trinqua, sir, what to me, a really court case, no, as they say, no, as soon as I ube koso no wanya wahwe wayare sa wo ye behwe wo kama a wonya problem bia nti no anytime bia ga na hia obi abra yesere wo bra na wo ba omuntimi nyo ofoko woni ha nti no omudwu omo anum keka nsem a sebe emra mu kura ni nyina so wonya pie se ekim ensem na omo kan ni nyina akro mu nkan biem nti wo to wa bra na mra no omo so ensem bi wo ho a enso beyi ano eno de bra na beyi ano because se ni omo keka ne ye no kora dia untimi nwane mfiri mra no wasom o man no enti so officer onsa ho eye cleaner ensuro se yese bra ha na bedi bra be yi nsem ano anytime bia ba bia no ubetimi aba be yi nsem na no ubetimi kora aba na wo sa akọ because oba na se ye charge wa eno on be the passport so
me da se ma men kan a message way Kofi Edire sense in this one. The problem is the parents and today's parenting. That teacher Banza would also do what he did because that is also a product of bad parenting. Today, a lot of parents are even afraid of putting their children right. They can't even tell children, stop. A parent once asked me whether to beg her own child because her child doesn't mind her after letting the father punish her for wrongdoing. And the girl was only 12 years. It is bad parenting, Prof. Thank you so much. I'm into you.
Prof.
Yes.
I'm say Attorney General's Department. Omo ye di omani hu amoka kreo.
Attorney General's Department.
Yes.
I didn't try.
Sir, Oforiata issue way. Our court are granting a green card. So, bet matna US is a permanent resident.
Yeah.
Na ne law firm or the lawyers issue presser, and up to now,
we've not had any response from
as to whether what they've written there is true or not.
Oh, but they said that the but they've not had any official communique from the United States.
So where did Minka Premo and Associate God said that they said the OS was not credible? Where did they get that information from? Where do they get that information from to put it out there? Because many were here, we were not there. Attorney General our rep were honor. What was said there, we don't know. Now, something I've been putting out for us to read.
No, I understand the Attorney General himself is even in the US.
Now look at this. Is he going to watch our match? Or he was sent there for a purpose?
No, it's still on the same issue.
It's still on the same, so he should come out with something. Who organized earlier press conference than Attorney General? Why? Taxpayers' money I've sent you there.
But we
come out with something. Let us read.
But there is a response from the OSP. OSP clarifies position on claims of Kenneth Oforiata's U.S. residence and extradition case. The Office of the Special Prosecutor has issued a clarification following media reports and a publication attributed to a Ghanaian law firm suggesting that former Finance Minister Ken Oforiata has been granted permanent residency in the United States. The report further claimed that a U.S. immigration court had made findings questioning the credibility of criminal charges filed against him in Ghana by the OSP. However, this is a statement that was However, in a statement released by the OSP said it had taken note of the reports, but is not involved in any immigration proceedings involving Mr. Ken Oforiata in the United States. It also stressed that its mandate relates solely to an ongoing extradition proceedings being pursued through the Attorney General, who serves as Ghana's central authority in international legal cooperation matters. And you know, this is what the OSP is also saying.
You see, sometimes Ghana na it,
But let me also add this. According to the OSP, the extradition document in respect of Mr. Furiata is not before any U.S. immigration court. And therefore, any determination made within that jurisdiction cannot be interpreted as findings on the substance or credibility of the criminal charges filed in Ghana. The office further emphasized that the question of Mr. Furiata's criminal liability remains strictly within the jurisdiction of the courts in Ghana, which are constitutionally mandated to determine issues of guilt and innocence.
Statement,
yeah.
Because they were fast to come out with it. But couldn't you have acted fast? Why are your money sikano now a private legal practitioner? I said whether it's true or not, no, or need out. Then you come and right to rebuttal what the person are putting out there. It's very, very unfortunate. But Ken Furiata so let us advise about money say what be the finance minister for almost 6.5 years. Say what hospital can one say, but who is anka obako mana anka yewi one ye. Bana bebi hu akunta nso a. Akoe bibi so yare. Na sika be organ so we bu akunta. Debi na say wan ba ko ma enti na yewi no. Ma ko ma no test ma ye bone. Wamba ko ma enti na yewi no. Say what you say enti ni odi Ghana for sika ye no. Omba na be bu akunta.
The Ghana for sika ye free SHS.
On ba bu akunta
The Ghana for sika to ambulances.
Me ba chop mama nda was mama nti Holali. Holali, let me take a lesson to you on this.
Abochi enyama say Attorney General Mam Mekasai. Because Ghana is not in court with Oforiatta in the US on issues of immigration. Asema yeni Oforiatta war is that yehiano. It has to do with extradition, not his immigration status. What I have noticed is that sa letter can say mugu. Menka premu omu letter omu kan say. Uni mi jameka sa. There's a statement by the so-called judge on this matter claiming that charges na abo Oforiatta no. Yes, it's not credible. It does not have any merit. And if there will be the case be akwa immigration judge nana. Who has gone to ask that judge to make any pronouncement on cases African investigate to they born a charge? So me, I think this so-called whatever it is, a release was a complete mugu. It has nothing to do with young Asema Oforiatta war US. On Pekramoyan, Secretary of State and fire. He has a case to answer here in Ghana. We'll continue to pursue that case. His extradition, no, we will continue. Cases, charges they are still intact. Documents will be submitted to the U.S. Legal authorities. Yes. To go through, it will go before a court. And then they'll be able to establish clearly. Say charges they are boni. Why? Parteko Canada, is Pate being tried in Canada? The offense committed, is it in Canada? But they are denying him visa. So when the time comes, in the fullness of time,
I'm saying information. I mean, good.
And I'm saying, but initially he was denied.
Yeah.
The reason was very simple.
Yeah.
I'm now Canada. When you're applying for visa, you would have to tick that box. Do you have any ongoing case? If you take a pair, would you forget visa? But that law in itself is an affront to the
okay,
world.
So this is the a friend is saying a year OSP publishes this year. So that's what it
He's
is.
still wanted, not to.
Yeah, he's still
exactly
wanted.
my point.
Yes.
In the immigration case, in that's what I'm saying that Yamongu baby has nothing to do with the case we have with Oforiatta.
Okay, so
it was just something they were trying to smuggle, to try to, it's a completely useless.
Your YouTube page, you see it over there. Wanted by the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Name Kenneth Nana Oforiatta, and then the description, the date of birth, 1958, age 66 years, gender male, color black, and blah blah blah. Okay, so let's look at the reasons. This suspect is wanted to answer charges in respect of several cases, including strategic mobilization, that's GRA contract, termination of ECG BXC contract, national cathedral payments, ambulance procurement contract, and tax refund account utilization. So anyone with information on the whereabouts of this individual should alert the Office of the Special Prosecutor by calling or sending a WhatsApp message to 05544944499 05544844488. Okay, so this is what has been published by the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
You had the charges.
Oh yeah, I had the charges.
It has nothing to do with immigration. The charges are still intact. And can Oforiatta come and answer for these charges? Right? Look, me, I'm a member of the MPP.
Yes.
Which I'm telling you. Send your 80 MPs in the year, say, by now they should start demonstrating again. The political fortunes of the MPP coming in 2028 depends on whether Oforiatta will come and answer these questions or not. I'm telling you the truth. Cathedral nim, SML nim,
Cathedral,
ECG nim,
ECG.
These are things he must come to answer for. Brown boy in 8 years, until he has done that, the MPP has no moral right to come to Ghanaians to ask for elections. Because what will be the moral right? Yes, I'm talking about Namukofa Ken Oforiatta Mra. Number 97 million sank into a hole. ECG contract was in the SM deal, so Bia or some of the contract, 1.6 billion cannot be accounted for. Now, Nipo way, yes, Omra, no member whom conta, Obianga's way for. The pastor, Ben Cracker. So, me, can Oforiatta on your bema, he's a coward, I'm telling you.
Oh, he's a coward.
He's a coward. All other finance ministers, they are accounted for their stewardship. Can Oforiatta is a coward, I'm telling it. Now, so he should come to Ghana and come and answer these questions. I believe he's innocent. He should come and prove it to Ghanaians. It's as simple as that.
Oh, there is some
they were not cowards. So they stayed here and accounted for their stewardship. Why is that prostate now see yes, UGMC had 24 hours. He released during one day. Oforiatta fee Ghana, how many days in here?
All right, no, let's
be honest. So a Ghana Frontiers here, Menka Premu release with a Mugwo. It has nothing to do with case of Ghana and Oforiatta war. Where an immigration in Semuna,
and in Semna, okay, and say,
Sassamna judge in the kind of dear, Mika Promkofa, a number, the courts, the judgment. They should come and show it to us. And let's figure it ourselves. Say no crack, say judge in the case.
Prof.
Because it doesn't fall within the jurisdiction of that judge to decide what the case Ghana has with Oforiatta. The case is to be answered here in Ghana. Or not the America is saying. It's not credible. What does it mean?
Asemna minta prem adea edano kwemu pepe
complete mug
yeah o de nyamotre mpacho before obekwa akoprese ye ma o status no e ma o ntena US no e say ultimate justify all reasonable doubt say uhia papers ne say obetena krumo. One of the grounds or the call is about OSP ni fugitive now the toll Ken Oforiatta so no was one of grounds or the call court omo wini nti so wo kan ho asem a wo se ye mogu yete ha enye mogu ampa nso OSP declare Oforiatta fugitive mebwa Inti saa de no omko kan ho na eno na court ni gina so aka say saa kwaya ye fa so a ye declare no
West we na kan no ben ntie
na ye wrong
Mame
West we na kan no ben ntie
mame sesi ade ya na
mame
sesi e do kan ye se wontie
on sesi de end say wanted no
West say onu asem on kan ofuriata
na nim say fugitive no akoyi afiri order and I say why no wanted
wontie ase he was not supposed to
mame never say mame fa call hello good evening yeah me pass one ni me pass all you tie ko wanim
me mo na ukuri na abaso and the boy am from Japan aboji the ne koswa and the feeling flaka and so is here and abasano to flaka e Ghana wasum o mine no over there this is 7 years the be akoto the baby Indiano and then if you find the what to say about Ghana and some more can the baby Indiano but sign the young the via the capa on any the pastor for so much yeah we don't know if you why when you been down pressure by the as would do for the best say paying for no I say I can't be about where it's far we don't defend it I said that's where they don't defend it your man on the defend and say you defend it for cap any individual person be yes or mangana
Mira said hello good evening
Abochi majo na ho ye de
me pacho me ho ye na wana me ne ka say
kwaku atimi ka say 37
kwaku ma me ntie we
yo abochi ma me na ase na we be de me kono stage there kenofurata asma mo kan na me pese mbusa se kenofurata ya charge na Ghana ha court bi ana e bi me kenofurata ya charge na court bi no why na put na say kenofurata wa di bone eti endi di fuano dema kenofurata asa di omla me na senu ye mo no die ni pe no de wadi bone na ba e se na tamakuru awo ye ndisi ni eti kenofurata asma mo de achi ape amo kan kenofurata mo ko fa dem lai Monko Fanamla, I'll be your Kenoflato, a coward, and I can the Abayeka, Abonia Moody, our source, and a senior career agent, or the Mamma, or crack and minister, or crack and appointees, no. And then I say, I can't want
it. Mammy, never say pass or by. Hello, good evening.
Yeah,
me pacho one am in the castle. Elliot, baby, see. Elliot, my minty away.
Yeah, interview beach row. So, where is time? Me, who minister via or Jennifer Ghana Hada? Finance minister. I don't know who entity about the game. For that, what name say? Oh, the bonnie via Ghana for Ghana. You see, a person is green card. Master manager, you may choose the property in your. You may choose the property in your the family house to have a chief. And yes, thank you.
So, bye. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, me pacho one am in the castle.
As usual.
ABC, me pacho my minty away.
Yeah, God, yeah.
Boko.
Where you nipper to you are Shama, call communication officer. Oh, Ashama, Montumano, and Collins. And I'm a Molly, and no version fee. Yanishan, papa, Abuchi, yeah? And I turn you now, would Diablo, the patrol, Sednam. How many day? Send on your job to Nassam. Where people at ABC? More than Nassam. Now, the data bank, the Japan, Mujina. Now, as you wait after so much travel to school, as a gun for, yeah, I mean, pay for that. Where is Pocket? So, she said, America for my green card. So, on America, yes, it's for Coco. Now, in the Japan, you better so about number. Let us say.
Meso Medase, pass or by. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
If I told Dini, baby, I'll cast free. Lafia, hello, Baba, na Biaba, Namenti, Biadase.
So now, Obracano, or call for communication. Our Shama, Biantumano, the whole is now organ and the Chamano, Biantumano, or about Juni. Over I say, ofurata koyana amrebi oko America oba em journalist bi le tikano se no ni so mba je no se na esa aise akọ papa journalist no kola so be kaya anano boa o ka ta den yes o se aise de papa ejan no kola bro bo wa hutu ni na wa san ba na me de adentina o gani ana o na so gani o Africana ni kola na e u Ghana e u ana mata mo mien kan ko mai mu no man na yi and a school for some Americans about uni.
Yeah.
Na kujina human rights. Human rights na bro from the other share. At that time na ka papa no mutisi wa we na 20 something years no.
Yeah.
When it finish out here, it's no usro.
Yeah, no correct.
Yes. Who the hell wants to get to my papa to unya do be no usro. But then human rights ya be kikire and they say yes we can come. Oni ya me
Yeah, that's it. Pass by. Hello, good evening.
I'm going to call. I can't see a sister call also. Yo, I'm going from Cantaman to Accra, Ghana. ABOTCHIE, but where there?
Oribon. Oh, Debbie, Nyabutre. Yeah, now, office, oh, yes, smart. Now, catch a Akafia say, who are 54 no so, who are 54 no so, 64 no so, until back on down, don't call.
And I got the answer with the communication director. Papa, let me tell Papa. I bet you, in fact, I'm not young school, and the seniors, you seniors, Mamma Tamako, Cantaman, I'm no Capa Play, Cantaman, Papa County. I said, you want this kind of Yadwako court. I'm a court at Deru. Who is coming in America? Up with this canon. Atamba, Obaya, what is it? And think I don't want to have a President Hammer said to me, Obaya, never come. And for that, oh man, oh my God.
May I say hello, good evening.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, me pacha wana mene kasi.
Mana obani ndo adu Fantan Village.
Okay, yeah, that's same kwa ba pacha ma intio.
Bro.
Yes.
Osa didi wa. Esa enwa pa.
Denga.
O ya ndi siniba. Na o die ni prr ye banya djuma ba fo ni pa mienza. Na wa ba one for 2 years ni. Ejo ba ko ni pa mienza na nyamai. Won prse abe ni so ni ba ko ni pa mienza na mra. Na woni abrite yensa ofura tamra ne yensa ni kutu ne antoni jafa yo ni abrite ye jin jafa ni na o ka jin wai sabio ya fana ni te ane ya fana ni sei no gina he kamo ya maji samu pete mo jisi kama menga na enya wo tai hunu a na ane nda kamo ko ni na ka me fi ko na mba ye ni fana ni ta a ba ta ina jin ni jafa ni na ye ko ni bu se fe na ko fa ni na waji ko ko jibra ne fe no fa ki ma ba ko ni pa me sana mba ne le gana ko fe sabio mo nya sabi bibi ko e patro ko pam pam so abani ko humba ni abani ya e patro pe ne amantai ja to
Mamina, I'm in Fakola. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pacha wana mene kasi.
Pacha from Akushia.
Akushia wada ma ukasa frame.
Pacha
okay, Akushia pacha ma intie wai.
Pacha Mr. Eden. Mr. Anibani Kromi.
Benjamin Asari oh.
The
office we am once no.
Yeah, family number no man.
Me ba so me de be man why?
Yo, na mpacho de America for school for no. Teachers no so yeah, omo ha again.
Teachers ne ha again.
Yo, me kai se no secondary school teacher ni bi. So, and I make sure chemistry, and I make math and accounts. So, you are there dada, Batman, you know. And I'm calling to all my bad. Me, I'm charged your secondary school. Now, I didn't say the almost backlash to an man or one share panty.
Hey!
Now, I said that a guy, who's practice a merry man on a normal day over.
Hey!
Or try to know a baby.
Hey!
And to see, if you're in the near personal, hey, who, when someone bought my
hey!
Now, I bet when she sits near or no, or fair no, or best beyond me or back. But young Polanis, auntie, I say no more, the one I know, Miss Rono. Oh, Nti nya ekoso no ankola no no mo do omo hihye omo saa few teachers na omo no ase omo no omo so eyesa nti tie no esisie
yo that's it. Hey na nkodai pa sa wo ko suku ko sua de o classroom won share draws Charlie hello
Abochi.
Yeah, be bacha wana me ne kase. Okay, offer ya kwashiman bacha ma ntio.
Na da sepa mo discuss mo ina ma ya no emunya.
Yeah.
I'm in charge justice Tiaboa for the national deputy organizer. Bantena argument on the party so eduman against Abanamano. Can you create history? Say what by a blind regime, assume woman, the one cassa, what do you want a craja? I revo. Na way by asem na ho ama wo ma wona nanom nchiri ma ebe nyina ebe ko history na wiase ye fa kwanja we so sompa de mobo adwuma obi bia otie na nne sede ma fence wa ma wadwuma no second for that day fire mfanto ho se wo so wo bobra pa the way to at no man MPP for bebre na nanado ma wo appointment ye mi sa se e mododo sen na sede omo etu afejan afetuo ejane afri omen sebe impene say utrimu fanya ntiamwa enku
sure
eti we ye Ghana ni we ye MPP ni a e ma kanu furata dia waye no enye we de wo na e ya de boni a egu MPP because so wa be de oman sika ahye so na we wia sika na we wia akwata ma na ne se wo ma de ye jawo manyame
mami na say uboni diana. Hello, good evening. Me bacho wana menene kase. Koti me bacho bonite oni yanko ai.
I don't think some of the power. Yes, your mind will say, what the carriage is. Job my woo, a penny for stab with chain, what the carriage you said defending. Look at the thing. What was to a now? Because you just show any remorse. When I'm upon a bed, jacket for you just show any remorse. The arrogance. Everyone, they move is some fear now, everyone. Kind of far punishable. Nothing let anything from it. They be arrogant, talking anyhow together.
Me da say, Mami Falas call. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, Abuchi.
Yeah, me bacho wana menene kase. What 30 seconds? Boko, what 30 seconds? Yes.
Me bacho, any mem say obi ni wona ye ni kokot. Ye bu na tense we di for ye japade ana.
Yeah.
Thank you. Eti kache ana ba say ani oyinbo say omusua je.
Enya fi na obey obo me da say. Abushafo ye di see here, but I have this birthday message I want to do. The wish. Da happy birthday to you, Owusu Belinda. Which akwan ewo Ghana Navy, Thermal Naval Base. Way free a year unam for any unyama. One more say one more happy birthday. So once again, wherever you find yourself, celebrate this day and then enjoy yourself. So happy birthday to you once again, Owusu Belinda. Yamawa wudapa. Abushafo yedisi. Ye ko die hot bite news to aso. Ye friend me Kobla Abuchi. Nyame aduma ochina ye behia. Ye akramo.